Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, or BHRT, naturally restores hormone levels lost through aging. Because bioidentical hormones match your body's own chemistry, they're absorbed more efficiently, supporting overall health as you age. Estrogen therapy protects brain cells, strengthens blood vessels and bones, and reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Maintaining estrogen levels also supports cardiovascular health and soft tissue repair. Progesterone helps regulate insulin, making weight management easier and reducing risks of diabetes, inflammation, and cardiovascular disease. It also stabilizes adrenaline levels, helping protect against anxiety, insomnia, and chronic stress, major drivers of age-related illness. For men, restoring testosterone through BHRT supports muscle strength, bone density, memory, mood, and heart health. Recent studies even link testosterone to activating the Klotho gene, associated with longer lifespan and healthier aging. With BHRT, you're not just addressing symptoms, you're protecting your heart, brain, metabolism, and vitality for the years ahead. Contact us today to learn more about the powerful health benefits of BHRT.